Let's look at objects and dynamic typing. So let's say objects and dynamic typing. So everything in Python is actually considered objects. So if you have number 7, we can say type. Okay. Then if you run it, we will say that number 7 is an integer value. There's another one, 4.1. It says a float. It means with a decimal point. Let me have one more. Okay, we have string. It will show you as a str, stands for string. And of course we have a variable refers to objects. That objects referring number 7, 4.1 or dog. Okay, so if we say x equal to 7, then we can say x plus 10. We can see what is the result. That is 17. Okay, so x is object that is holding number 7. So 7 plus 10, it becomes 17. Let's look at the floating. Okay, you can do the exactly same thing. We can have y 4.1. Okay, y plus 10. We will say 14.1 with the decimal points. Okay, floating value. Let's look at the dynamic. Okay, typing. So if you ever type x, okay, if you run it, it will say integer. We are referring to x value here, 17. Also, if we say type y, okay, referring to that 14.1, okay, it's a float. Of course, if you have x, don't forget I'm adding new value instead of x was 17. Now I'm changed to string value. Okay, let's see what happened to x. Okay, it's a string. Okay, x used to be here, integer value. When we say dynamic typing, we can dynamic typing means we can assign the value to this object. So x is going to say string. Okay, it's holding string. It's no longer holding integer value. So what happens is when you assign the new value, this object 14.1, okay, will be removed from the memory. Okay, we call it as here I will say garbage collection. Okay, Python automatically remove object 14.1 that used to be x. Okay, that will be removed from the memory. In other words, x refers to 14.1 as an object. Now x refers to top object. Okay, so what happened to previous object will be removed from the memory. Okay, that's all. Thank you.